a Brady Ladies ravioli making party that we eat these wonderful raviolis on Christmas Day with the whole family. So we are making them. Steffi's rolling the dough. Kathy made the dough. I'm piping in the filling. And Grandma Gloria made this beautiful filling. It's a secret Italian recipe with brains.
No.
You don't know what else is in there. You never know what's in it.
No, they usually put brains.
So,
Today we don't put brains.
We use ricotta
So,
instead.
step 1 is the Italian ravioli, what do you call this thing? Roller.
pasta roller.
And we have to stick it in, and it's a very complicated, very delicate process, and it can't be trusted to just
Pipe in the
anyone.
dough in the filling.
And there's a knack to it. We can't all do it.
And then you fold it over like this. And that.
Put a little more stuffing like that.
Oh, I got plenty of stuffing in there.
Grandma's
Ooh,
the
they
supervisor.
look really good, Luann.
He tells us what we're doing wrong and what we're doing right. Mostly what we're doing wrong.
Put it over, and then you get your little rolling pin. And you roll.
Roll them up, roll them up.
Rolling.
Gotta sit down.
And it's a little squeaky, but it's okay. And then
We're a
you
little squeaky too.
get off the excess dough here. And then you turn it over and
It's supposed to come out really
carefully
I need to
take
put her
them
in.
out.
I think next year I'll take them to that
Usually
homestead.
they just fall right out, but I'm having a little
Ravioli
problem
maker.
today.
And this is what it looks like when we're
Boy,
done
when this is
cooking.
fun to do. I like doing it.
See how they fall out?
We gotta have the Italian music going. Oh, que bella.
And voila. You have,
Bella, yeah.
how many is here?
You know what? I think we
12
did cut them.
raviolis.
Didn't we cut them last time because we thought it was better when we cooked them?
We didn't
We
have the
did.
video.
Yes, that's what we
What'd
did.
you do?
We cut them because they were
Last year?
easier to cook.
I think we did.
Yes, we did. I remember.
Oh God, now we have to
Seems to
cut
be
them off.
some
I can do that.
discrepancies in the process. We all have a different
Yeah, we did
recollection.
because we.
Okay, so we're gonna wrap it up.
We've got this nice little tube, and this is our little one that we put them on, and then we smush it down with this, and then we pipe in the filling.
And then,
And that's how the magic happens.
And
Thanks
then,
for watching.
manja de delicioso.
buon
I think
Natale.
that's Spanish.